In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build email templates in HubSpot using this all-new feature. Let's jump right into it and make sure you have your HubSpot account open and ready. If you haven't already, log into your account. Once you're logged in, we can begin exploring this exciting feature. To get started, let's navigate to the trial guide. You'll find this step incredibly useful in gathering all the resources necessary to kick off your email template building process. The trial guide provides comprehensive support and tips to ensure you're well equipped to create effective templates that suit your needs. Now that we're on the homepage, let's utilize the powerful search functionality of HubSpot. Direct your attention to the search bar and type in templates. This will allow you to find exactly what you're looking for with ease. Once you've entered this, go ahead and click on Message Template. This section is dedicated to helping you create custom templates for your email strategy. Next, click on New Template. This is the exciting part where the magic happens. You'll need to select From Scratch, which allows maximum customization and creativity for your new project. Here, you have a blank canvas to create an email template that truly reflects your brand's voice and style. Begin by entering the template name. It's crucial to choose something memorable and relevant, so you'll quickly identify it in the future. Following this, you'll need to enter the subject of your email. Keep it concise and engaging. Remember, your subject line is like a first impression, and it has a significant impact on whether your email gets opened. After you've filled in the template name and subject, it's essential to save your progress. Click on Save Template to ensure all your hard work is not lost. Saving your work frequently is a good habit, especially when working on digital platforms, as it can prevent any loss of information due to unexpected issues. And there you have it. You've just learned how to create an email template in HubSpot using this all-new feature. By understanding the tools and resources available in the trial guide and utilizing the intuitive layout of HubSpot, you can efficiently set up email templates that align with your marketing goals. Remember, the more you practice, the more proficient you'll become, making your email campaigns more effective and tailored to your audience. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more insights and tutorials. See you next time.